Hello, Jim Dixon here, Milam Truck Country. I'm going to do a walk around on the 2017 Ford Explorer. Fully loaded vehicle. Raining a little bit here, but hey, it's Pacific Northwest. That's the way it is. So I'll just do like a quick walk around here. Show you it's a nice clean vehicle. Do a little inside shot here.
Facebook page too. I didn't take it down. She must have taken it down.
Very well taken care of.
Since then, her message disappeared. And I thought you unfriended her. Facebook will automatically remove her. Oh, they did? Yeah. So anyway, I unfriended her. I didn't know her.
You can give me a call on my direct line with any questions or concerns. I'm at 360-486-4430. So again, that's Jim, Milam Truck Country, 360-486-4430. Thank you.